Guys, look at this beautiful mosque. This is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This gives me the look of the old Maybach steering wheel. So you can go to the climate menu and check the air quality. And as you can see outside, the air is moderate. You see 23 PM 2.5, but in the inside we have a very good air quality. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Here we have the brand new Mercedes Benz S-Class, but not a normal one. Here we have the S580 version, the long wheelbase. And join me in today's video because I will be taking you all for a drive. As you've already seen, maybe I'm not in Germany. Today we will be driving this beauty in Abu Dhabi, okay? Unlocking this beauty. Open and close the door for the animation. For sure, I will put the key right over here. Close this, and yeah, let's just go ahead and start the engine. Very silent start. S580. As most of you guys already know, this is the only 8-cylinder option. Back in the days we had the S500, which was the 8-cylinder option, but now the 500 is a 6-cylinder and the 580 is the only 8-cylinder non-AMG option. Okay, let me give you a few information regarding this car. S580 long wheelbase, starting price in Germany is around 133,000 euros, but you can get a cheaper one with the S350 or the short wheelbase. You can just have a lot of them. Also, this S580 is available as a hybrid S580e, but this is the normal one. This is a mild hybrid. We have 503 horsepower with this V8 plus 20 horsepower with the starter generator. So let's go ahead and start the drive. I will be telling you more about this car, putting the car into drive, releasing the handbrake. And guys, please don't ask me why I'm starting the drive at a BMW dealership. This is enemy territory and we have to leave. So as you might have seen yet, we are in Abu Dhabi right now and we are driving the new S580 S-Class. Another thing I have to mention is that this car is sponsored by Mercedes Benz, Emirates Motor Company in Abu Dhabi. Special thanks for giving us the opportunity to drive this beautiful car in this beautiful city. I mean, today we will be not doing a performance drive or else because we are not in Germany, you know. But I just wanted to share this nice experience with you right from Abu Dhabi. You have no autobahn in this country, unfortunately. I think the highway is restricted up to 140 or 120 kph. I am not sure. And you have speed cameras everywhere. So let me tell you more about the options on this. We have the non-AMG line steering wheel here, which looks pretty okay. For the S-Class, this gives me the look of the old Maybach steering wheel. Therefore I like it. But something I really love is the gloss wooden trim plus the nice trim on the steering wheel, because we also have the gloss wooden here in addition with the black leather finish. The airbag cover is finished in black leather, which I love. Speed bumps everywhere. Since we have a chip shortage ongoing right now, if you want to order S-Class, okay guys, it will be a bit difficult with all the options. For example, with this one, we only have the smaller display. So normally I think you can get a 12-inch something display, which is a bit bigger, and also the quality of the display, the resolution, everything is way better. But with this one, it's the base display, which I don't really mind. But if you're going to get yourself an S-Class, please make sure you tick the options on the bigger display. So we will be entering the road now. Driving in comfort right now. What a beautiful weather we have here. While in Germany we have rain and a storm going on, here in Abu Dhabi we have something like 25-26 degrees, which I'm enjoying so much right now. Also, we have the augmented reality on this one, which really helps a lot. So as you can see, the head-up display is also with the augmented reality, which helps a lot, especially in cities you don't really know. It points to the direction of where you need to go and else, and is extremely helpful, guys. I mean, in Germany, for example, I don't really use it a lot, but in different countries I just love it. The way it guides you through the traffic is just phenomenal. The drive right now is very nice. I mean, we have the air suspension here. It just feels like driving on a cloud. The traffic here is actually good. And I just wanted to show you this beautiful mosque right there, guys. Just look at it. So nice. So something I have to show you guys, since we are in the United Arab Emirates, we have a lot of dust in the air, you know, with the sand from the dunes coming. And if you go to the climate menu right here, so you can go to the climate menu and check the air quality. And as you can see outside, the air is moderate. You see 23 PM 2.5, but in the inside we have a very good air quality. Okay, this is very nice. Since we have the HEPA filter on this car, you also feel it instantly. As soon as I also open up the window, guys, just now look at the way the air quality changes. You see how bad it gets? It's already at 5 PM 2.5. Oh, beautiful S-Class coupe. I love this car so much. And guys, now look at the air quality, how bad it got. We had a 1 PM 2.5 something, which is really good, but now it's like 5, 6, even went down to 8. And the outside 25 PM 2.5. Guys, look at this beautiful mosque. This is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. It looks extremely good in addition with this beautiful white S-Class. Just look at it. Wow, what a nice architecture. Beautiful. You see the quality inside, since we let the air from the outside get in. You see it now? It's 15 PM 2.5, 14, but now you will see within like a minute this will change. We can also turn on the air freshener for better air quality. So guys, that's it for today's video. How do you like this beautiful S580? At this point, special thanks to Mercedes Benz in Abu Dhabi, EMC Motor Company, Emirates Motor Company, for giving us this car to experience it here in Abu Dhabi. The 580 is just so nice, but I think a 350 or the 500 is already enough if you need a good daily driver. If you just need a bit power, I would definitely recommend you guys to go for the 580. If it's not necessary, like here, because you have speed restrictions everywhere, just go for the 350 and just put a bit more options instead of going for a high engine. All in all, really enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Which car would you like to see next? Leave it in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.